Hello everybody. I'm Furnace Bully. Today we are going to film the elevator at my school. Let's get this show on the road. Let's go up to 3. Here we are at 3. Let's go back down to 1 now. Here we are at 1. Oh no. It's Principal Eric.
Furnace Bully. How dare you film the elevator at Beyond High School without permission? If you asked permission first, I would have allowed you to film here. That's it. You are suspended for 10 days. Now get out of the elevator and go home now.
Furnace Bully. We just got a call from Principal Eric. He said that you filmed the elevator at Beyond High School without permission. You know you can't do that without permission.
Your father is right, Furnace Bully. You cannot take pictures at your school without permission.
But Mom and Dad, I'm sorry.
Apology denied. You're grounded for 999 days.
Now give the camera back to your father and go to your room now.
Well,